Hi, I'm Adam from Power Plumbing. I've been installing Geberit concealed cisterns for over 13 years. It's easy. Let me show you how.
In the cistern carton, you'll find the Alpha cistern, installation box and fixing screws, fixing kit, flush pipe, dust cap and bend, key seals. You'll need these tools: hammer, cordless drill, screwdriver, box cutter, hacksaw, tape measure, spirit level. Geberit Alpha cistern for back-to-wall and wall-hung pans. This installation consists of two stages. First, the rough-in stage, followed by the fit-out stage. We recommend you refer to the installation instructions provided before starting. You also need to know the pan specifications to complete the rough-in. First, check with the builder to determine the finished floor level. Measure 1100 mm up the stud. Allow another 100 mm for the mounting bracket. Then, recess the brackets 8 mm into the stud. The centre of the bracket is the centre of the 1200 mm mark. Mark the fixing holes. Mount the bracket, ensuring that it's level. Take the stabilising bracket, straighten it, and clip to the side of the cistern. Centre the cistern in location and tighten. Fit the bracket with the screws supplied. Mark the centre of the flush pipe bracket and recess in 4 mm. Mount the flush pipe saddle and tighten. Attach the dust cap. Remove the front cover and transmission block. Remember, the front cover will need to go back on, so keep it in a safe place. Remove the cap in the top of the cistern. Fit the stop tab supplied from the outside of the cistern. Tighten the backing nut, taking care not to drop it inside the cistern. Fit the flexible hose and finger tighten. Reassemble the transmission block, front cover, and fit the installation duct. The protective dust cover is designed to stay on until the fit-out stage and will prevent any debris from entering the cistern. Make sure the parts needed for the fit-out stage are stored safely. You're now ready to connect the water supply. Once done, check the cistern is level and the installation is ready for the wall linings and tiling. When the wall linings and tiling are completed, you're ready for a fit-out. Start by installing the pan. With the pan installed, it's time to install the buttons. To fit the buttons, remove the protective dust cover. Remove the front cover and transmission block. The flexible hose can be detached from the inlet valve to flush the water supply. Once the line is clear, refit the hose, turn on the water supply, check the water level, then fit the transmission block and front cover. The button is now ready to be installed. Press the button on the base to release the flush buttons. Position the flush button on the wall and screw into place. Fit the rods through the holes in the plate and adjust the rods to 18 mm from the back plate. Check they operate freely. It may be necessary to shorten the rods. Push down on the flush buttons to lock them into place. Now, just check the toilet is flushing correctly.